So while Brother Bob is going over the top building the windmill for our putt golf course, um, I am building the drive system to make the windmill turn. So that's a little stepper motor. It's got a lot of torque. It's got a gear drive. It steps. You can determine how far it turns and how fast by software. So the thing blinking there is the motor driver. Off to the right is ESP32. I actually don't need to use an ESP32 for this. I could probably just use a little tiny Arduino since I changed my plan. Originally, the idea was I was going to control it remotely by phone and using common software for ESP32s, no red, a dashboard system. But then I thought, this thing needs to run by itself and be a pain in the ass all by itself. So you might notice that the motor is turning at different speeds in different directions. It's random. So up here, I don't know if this is going to make any sense, but I'm randomly generating, there's the code. I'm randomly generating a speed and a number of turns in each direction. So, so the windmill will speed up and slow down in reverse randomly, and it doesn't require anybody to pay attention to it. It'll just run and run until you turn the power off. And this is the little battery that'll, so you can see it. I turn the power off, it stops. Turn it back on, it'll just continue to do its thing because the software stays loaded in the memory. But anyway, that's how it's going to work. And this is going to be totally silly. I'll show you the golf course. This is, we had the grass at our house replaced with artificial grass in the back, just in the back, because this used to be just a mud hole back here. It rains a lot in Haiku. So this is all artificial grass, and while we're at it, we did a putting green. Might as well. Down below is a planter box that I just finished making, and I'm gonna grow some vegetables. My face, everybody's laughing at me at surfing. My face is all bashed up because while I was filling these planter boxes, I lost control of the wheelbarrow, got dragged down here and face planted into that little mound of dirt underneath the bushes. So I look like I have serious injuries that are basically gardening injuries. It's hard to be a hero with a gardening injury.